Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a multi-voice dialogue using ElevenLabs. First, open the ElevenLabs website and sign in to your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the left side menu. Find and click on the text-to-speech option. This is where you will create your dialogue. Now move your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you will see a section called Model. Click on it and make sure you select the 11v3 model. This step is important because this model supports the multi-voice dialogue feature. After selecting the model, you will see an option to add a speaker. Click on Add Speaker to begin setting up your dialogue. Then click on the narrator or voice option. You can now choose any voice from the list provided. If you want, you can also add your own clone voice. Once you select the first voice, start writing your script. Enter the lines for that speaker clearly. Then, if your script has another character, click on Add Speaker again. Select a different voice for the second character and write their lines. You can repeat this process to add more speakers if your script needs more characters. This allows you to create a full conversation with different voices. After you finish writing the full script with all speakers, click on Generate Speech. The system will process your input and create audio with multiple voices based on the speakers you added. Once it is done, you can play and download the final output. Thanks for watching.